Incheon.
Oh my gosh.
Incheon Airport.
We're itching up.
We're going on a tour. We're going on the temple tour. I'm recording. Yeah, we're going on a tour.
You have anything else to say?
Yeah, no words, huh? That's it. Going on tour.
Look, it's been a long day already. I've been up all night. Free what?
That is really special.
Oh my gosh.
This one right here too.
Okay.
Welcome to one,
Catch your breath.
1 and 2.
Did you get that?
No.
What is it? Did Wayne get that?
We ain't got flowers.
Building in Korea, in South Korea, right here. Second largest. Second largest. I don't know what the first largest is. Okay, what's over there? Dolphin. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm gonna have to get back to a day trip in Korea is not so much to see. So much to do. A lot of people out there. Boat paddling.
Something to eat is like a sport, right? I don't know. Like I don't know. I just want some good food, but I don't know what I want, guys. I don't.
What looks good, man?
So we are in the Korean food court, and everything's in Korean. I don't know what it says. They have pictures.
Pick one.
I don't know what this is. I don't. Oh, they have like burgers now. This is beef noodles. 6,000 pesos. Wait, they're not pesos, right? And I'm not built for this.
You don't like nothing?
I don't even know what I'm looking at.
Szechuan style seafood fried rice. Stir fried rice with assorted seafoods. Korean sausage stew.
Stir fry. What in the hell? Brittany, you want to translate?
Assorted sausage stew, Korean sausage stew, cheese sausage stew.
Ooh, kimchi.
What can I eat? That's what she said on the bus.
It's cabbage. Most of the time it's cabbage.
Okay.
Oh,
Just to
better
make it for
done.
me at home. If you want me to elaborate on what's in it.
Korean friends, and they can help us out.
Let's do
You
it.
know who I should have brought?
I don't know. Everyone's eating. Maybe we can ask these lovely ladies.
We found an English thingy majig.
Yeah, but
What's this called? A kiosk.
yeah,
Oh.
self-order kiosk thing.
We can see now. We can see clearly now.
Can you see what's actually in it?
Is gone.
That's a problem.
I don't know what's happening. We're finally getting some help. I think.
Yeah, we will.
Well, how much does that say? Ma'am, how much does that say? I mean, what is
18 is 19.
okay. All right. 18,000 better not come out of my. What does that even say? Are you straight over here?
No, I don't know. I don't know. Don't know what to get. I don't know if it has fish in it.
The struggle is real. The struggle's real. We're not built to use the kiosk, so we now have to get in line. And yeah, cheese egg roll combo meal. 𝐷𝐂𝐭'𝐬 𝐍𝐞𝐭'𝐬. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. I'm just gonna stop. We're back to where we started. We're back at JFK. We had a wonderful trip. Cut this out.
Alright, hey guys.
Hey guys, we're really tired, but we are back from Korea and we're finally back in the US. We had a good time in Korea. We tried some new food, we learned some new languages, new language.
Selamat.
No, that's Philippine. That's not Korea. So we learned
Jota.
Jota. That means it's a good time. Or
I hope.
where it feels good.
I might have.
No. Where's my phone? Because I took notes. I took notes on this. We learned Jota. We learned 𝐷𝐂𝐭'𝐬.
There's no P in that.
I means thank you in Korean. And yeah, Jota. That was the only 2 words that I got. I'm sure we had other words, but we are back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I split it up into 2 parts for the Philippines and 1 part for the Korea because it was only a day trip. So it's not like it wasn't that much to see. So it was just a day trip. But I hope you guys liked the vlogs that I did. It was our very first vlog, my very first time doing a vlog. I learned a lot. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Hey Savvy Shells, it's your girl. We're back. If you didn't get a chance to see the vlogs, the previous vlogs, I'll leave the link down below. I'm gonna say that. So if you didn't get a chance to see our Philippine vlog,